Good evening. My name is Hilary. What's your name?
Yes, my name is Quang. Nice to meet you.
Gwen. And Gwen, where do you live?
Mm, I'm live in Vietnam, and
In Viet.
Vietnam. Yeah, did you know
Wow.
Vietnam?
And are you studying or do you work?
Yeah. Now I'm work at the HR, and I'm engineers. And what is your job now?
I'm a nurse.
You are a nurse, or are
Yes.
you a doctor?
No, I'm a nurse.
Yes, yes. Nice to
Yeah.
meet you. Yes,
And
and I have a prefer about examinees, and I have examinee, and I have 1 week, and you have some tip for me, and can improve in fluency or some idea for IELTS speaking.
you have an IELTS exam in 1 week.
Yes, I have 1 week, and you can listen to my
I, I,
yes.
I will listen. I will also send you a very good link. It's one of the best I know. There's a lot of practice material on here and a lot of good advice.
Yes.
Yeah.
And yes, and I have a course on route to IL of Discord routing, and yes,
Yeah. It's very difficult to actually improve somebody's speech in a week.
yes, I think in 1 week how I can do, and I can learn some, in internet is have many course, and have many advice, have many ideas, and I think it's the more important thing is Cambridge. Yes,
Yeah.
I think it's Cambridge
And
for 7 to 15. So what do you think about it?
are you asking me to give you a score?
My target is band 6.
Okay, so let's do a very simple question. Okay, a part one speaking question.
Yes.
Right. Um, where did you study when you were young?
So now I'm study in
No,
no, no.
the quest
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
question was when you were young.
Yes, I'm
In
young.
your yeah, as your childhood. Where did you go to school?
I'm sorry. It's I
Hmm.
can hear that. It's
Where did you go to school?
you go to school. No, I'm just graduate in about 1 years ago.
Okay, so if that was a part one question,
Yes.
you would need to tell me where you went to school, what age you were, and whether you liked it or whether you didn't.
Yes, I think it's part one IELTS exam. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, right. Okay, did you enjoy your school?
Mm. Yes, I enjoy school, and because I like my school, and have many reason, has people, has environment, and I like my school.
Okay, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, trying to think off my top of my head here now. Um, tell me, do you like flowers?
Yes, I like flower. It's my best flower is violet.
Like my favourite
Yes,
flower.
that's my favorite flower.
My favourite flower is a violet.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. You need to kind of expand a little bit on your answers.
yes,
They're very they're,
yes.
they're very very brief.
I think it's the first is it's very important to start. I
Yeah.
think it's it's fluency and your ideas,
Yeah.
and I think I need to practice. And thank you so much
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
yes,
Have a look at that website if you can. It's very 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 helpful.
yes, yes. Thank you so much. Have a good night. See you.
Great. Take care. Good luck.
See you.
in this first part, I'd like to ask you some more questions about yourself.
Okay.
Let's talk about your hometown or village. What kind of place is it?
It's quite a small village, about 20 kilometers from Zurich.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very quiet, and we have only two little shops, because most of the people work in Zurich or are orientated to the city.
What's the most interesting part of this place, the village?
On the top of a hill we have a little castle, which is very old and quite well known in Switzerland.
Right. What kind of jobs do people in the village do?
We have some farmers in the village, as well as people who work in Zurich as bankers or journalists, or there are also teachers and some doctors, or some medicines.
Right. Would you say it's a good place to live?
Yes, although it is very quiet, people are friendly, and I would say it's a good place to live there, yes.
Let's move on to talk about accommodation. Tell me about the kind of accommodation you live in. All right? Yes. Remember, you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when the time is up. Can you start speaking now, please?
Yes. One of the most important things I have is my piano, because I like playing the piano. I got it from my parents to my